Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.